Obesity is a condition that affects millions worldwide, but some individuals have reached extraordinary levels of weight due to various reasons, including genetic predisposition, metabolic disorders, and lifestyle factors. Here, we delve into the lives of the top 10 most overweight people in history, exploring their unique journeys and the significant challenges they faced. Number 10. Manuel Uribe. Born on June 11, 1965 in Monterrey, Mexico, Uribe's weight began to escalate dramatically in his 20s, eventually peaking at an astonishing 560 kilograms. This immense weight confined him to his bed, rendering him immobile and heavily dependent on others for basic needs. His plight was highlighted in various media outlets, including a feature on the TLC documentary series Half-Ton Man, which shed light on the severe health challenges and emotional struggles faced by individuals with extreme obesity. Despite these challenges, Uribe showed remarkable resilience and an unwavering desire to reclaim his life. With the assistance of medical professionals, family, and friends, he embarked on a rigorous journey to lose weight, achieving significant milestones. By adhering to a strict diet and undergoing medical interventions, he managed to shed a considerable amount of weight, losing around 180 kilograms. Number 9. Charity Pierce. Charity Pierce is a reality TV star born on August 1975 in the United States. She is 47 years old as of 2023. She was among the TLC reality series My 600 LB Life cast members. She gained massive weight due to her unhealthy lifestyle and bad childhood eating habits. In 2002, she was diagnosed with lymphedema, a condition which causes fluid retention. After a while, the buildup in her left leg made it hard for her to walk. 3 years later, she developed necrotizing fasciitis, a bacterial infection that spreads quickly in the body. As a result, she had some tissues removed from her side. Her addiction to food and rapid weight gain prompted her to seek medical attention. Charity Pierce embarked on her weight loss journey in Season 3 of My 600 LB Life. At the time, she weighed 778 pounds and could not carry out day-to-day tasks without the help of her family. With the help of Dr. Nauza Rodden's diet program and gastric bypass surgery, she eventually lost over 400 pounds. Number 8. Kenneth Brumley. Kenneth Brumley's story is one of both struggle and perseverance. Once documented as one of the heaviest people in the world, Brumley weighed a staggering 1,033 pounds and earned the nickname Half-Ton Dad. For 15 years, his weight confined him to his bed, making even basic tasks impossible. His situation reached a critical point when his bed collapsed, prompting him to seek help. This led him to the care of a specialist team at Renaissance Hospital, known for treating extremely obese patients. The journey wasn't easy. Firefighters had to remove a wall from his house to transport him to the hospital, where he began a program focused on diet and weight loss surgery. Shedding an incredible 500 pounds in just 10 months stands as a testament to Brumley's commitment to his health. This massive transformation not only improved his physical well-being, but also allowed him to regain mobility and rejoin his family in a meaningful way. Number 7. Arya Permana. Arya Permana's story is one of remarkable transformation. Once known as the world's fattest boy, this young man from Indonesia battled obesity from a young age. By the time he was 9, Arya's weight had ballooned to a staggering 419 pounds. This extreme weight made even basic activities like walking or bathing nearly impossible. Arya's health was in serious jeopardy, and his life revolved around limited mobility, eating, and playing on his phone. Recognizing the gravity of the situation, Arya and his family made the difficult decision to pursue weight loss surgery. This procedure, coupled with a dedicated effort towards healthier habits, kick-started a dramatic transformation. Arya shed an incredible 243 pounds, a testament to his perseverance and commitment. While he still has excess skin as a result of the weight loss, Arya's life is unrecognizable from his earlier struggles. Number 6. Juan Pedro Franco. Juan Pedro Franco, a Mexican man, gained international attention for being one of the heaviest individuals ever recorded, reaching a peak weight of around 1,312 pounds. Born in 1985, Franco's struggle with extreme obesity began in his childhood and escalated due to a combination of genetic predisposition, poor dietary habits, and a sedentary lifestyle exacerbated by various health conditions, including hypothyroidism and diabetes. His situation became so dire that he was bedridden for several years. Franco's plight highlighted the complex and multifaceted nature of morbid obesity, sparking discussions about the urgent need for comprehensive healthcare interventions and societal support for those suffering from severe weight-related issues. In 2017, he embarked on a life-changing journey after being admitted to a specialized weight loss clinic in Guadalajara, Mexico. By 2019, Franco had lost over 727 pounds, marking a significant milestone in his battle against obesity. Number 5. Khalid bin Mohsen Shari. Khalid bin Mohsen Shari, once known as the heaviest man alive, faced extraordinary challenges due to his extreme obesity. Weighing over 1,345 pounds at his peak, his condition severely impacted his physical, emotional, and social well-being. Daily activities that most people take for granted, such as walking, standing, or even sitting comfortably, became Herculean tasks for Khalid. His obesity not only strained his joints and muscles, but also led to a host of health complications, including diabetes, hypertension, and respiratory issues. Beyond the physical ailments, Khalid grappled with psychological and emotional burdens, such as low self-esteem, depression, and social isolation. With the intervention of Saudi King Abdullah, who arranged for his medical treatment, Khalid underwent rigorous and comprehensive medical interventions, including dietary changes, physical therapy, and surgeries. His gradual weight loss brought not only physical relief, but also a renewed sense of hope and self-worth. Number 4. Octavia Gahagans. Octavia Nichelle, also known as Octavia Gahagans, was a part of My 600 LB Life Season 7. Like other My 600 LB Life cast members, her quality of life used to be negatively impacted by her weight. She was determined to improve her life and sought Dr. Nazaradin's help on one of the best reality TV shows. Octavia's weight gain story started because her stepfather allegedly molested her. She claimed that he was violent with her mother, and Octavia turned to food for solace. By the time she was 20, she weighed roughly 500 pounds. She lost her mother 5 years later and had to take care of her younger sister, who eventually got married. When she finally arrived in Houston to visit Dr. Now, she weighed 692 pounds. Octavia was having severe issues with mobility. She took her weight loss instructions seriously and lost many pounds. She brought her weight down to an impressive 456 pounds. As fans await My 600 LB Life Season 12, it's time to catch up with Octavia. Number 3. Sean Milliken. Sean Milliken was a man whose life story gained widespread attention due to his struggle with severe obesity. He first came into the public eye through his appearance on TLC's reality series My 600 LB Life. Sean's battle with his weight began in childhood and intensified following the death of his mother, who was his primary support system. By the time he sought medical intervention, Sean weighed over 900 pounds, a condition that severely limited his mobility and independence. His weight was not just a physical burden, but also an emotional and psychological one, as he grappled with feelings of isolation and hopelessness. He worked with Dr. Yuna Nazaradin, a renowned bariatric surgeon, to undergo weight loss surgery and adhere to a strict regimen designed to reduce his weight and improve his health. Tragically, Sean's story ended prematurely when he passed away in 2019 at the age of 29 due to complications from an infection. Number 2. John Brower Minnick. Born on September 29, 1941, in Bainbridge Island, Washington, Minnick's struggle with obesity began early in life, as he weighed 294 lbs by the age of 12. His weight continued to increase rapidly throughout his life due to metabolic and genetic factors, compounded by his diagnosis of metabolic and obesity-related disorders. By 1978, John's weight had skyrocketed to approximately 1,400 lbs, making everyday activities and mobility incredibly challenging. His condition required frequent medical attention, and he was often hospitalized due to related health complications such as heart failure and edema. During one of his hospital stays, it took over a dozen people to turn him in his bed, and his condition was closely monitored by healthcare professionals. In 1978, his situation became critical, leading to his admission to Seattle's University Hospital. To manage his condition, he was put on a strict diet, and after 16 months, he lost approximately 419 kilos, 924 lbs, though his health remained fragile. Number 1. Emin Ahmed Abd Laty. Emin Ahmed Abd El-Ati, an Egyptian woman, gained international attention due to her extraordinary weight, which at one point exceeded 1,000 pounds, making her one of the heaviest women in the world. Her conditions severely impacted her quality of life, confining her to her bed for over 2 decades. The challenges Emin faced were immense, including significant mobility issues, numerous health complications such as diabetes, high blood pressure, and kidney failure, and the psychological toll of her condition. In 2017, her plight came to the forefront when she sought help from Dr. Mufazzal Lakdawala, a renowned bariatric surgeon in India. Under Dr. Lakdawala's care, she underwent a series of medical procedures, including bariatric surgery, which led to substantial weight loss and some improvement in her overall health. Tragically, Emin passed away on September 25, 2017, in Abu Dhabi due to complications from her condition. In closing, I hope you found this video both informative and entertaining. If you enjoyed what you saw something new, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content like this. Thanks for joining us today, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video.